Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own fake nails, kind of like a DIY fake nails. I get a lot of questions on my nails, how I do them, and I've gotten requests to do this video as well, so I figured I would share this with you guys. Now for me personally, I don't, and this is no offense to any of you guys who goes to nail salons to get your nails done, but me personally, I just don't prefer to do that. I don't enjoy doing it. I mean, I get pedicures, that's perfectly, fine and different, but going to get my nails done every 2 to 3 weeks, sitting there for like an hour, I just don't like it. I feel like I'm wasting time in a way. And the bigger issue is the money that it costs to keep up with your nails, going to a nail salon, depending on what you get done. It can be like hundreds of dollars you're shelling out, in a year or even more than that. And this cost me like $10, and I can probably get like 4 to 5 uses out of the kit, so it's super affordable. And lastly, I kind of like doing my own nails. Again, like this takes me like under 10 minutes to do, and it's quick, it's affordable, so I wanted to share this with you guys. And this could even be another option that you want to try out instead of going to the nail salon. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see how I do my nails, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I figured I would just like sit down on the ground and show you guys. I kind of like, sitting down on the ground. Filming, it's just easier for me than kind of like sitting upright in my chair with like a table in front of me, which may have been easier, but besides the point. So let's get into what you are going to need to do your own nails, how I do my nails. So first off, and they sell these at like Walmart or Target, but sometimes when I can't find them, I resort to Amazon, so I will link it down below. But they are the Kiss nail kits. Now, this is in the shape Active Oval, which is like a nice oval shape. They do have a short square, they have a longer square, like a medium length square, and then I think they have like really long nails as well. So they have all different shapes. So this is what I'm going to be using today. And something like this kit, it comes with 100 nails. This goes for like under $10. A kit like this will last me, if I do my nails every week, for about a month. So that's crazy, because if you have, your nail polishes and everything like that, then you're spending 10 bucks on your nails for the whole month, which is super affordable. That's why I love doing it this way. And yeah, so you can get this anywhere, like I said, and if you can't find it, you can find this on Amazon. And what's great about this nail kit is that it comes with glue, but I don't know, I've had a lot of people use this glue in here and they've had no issues with it. But for me, sometimes I feel like this glue doesn't work as well as I would like it to. So when I don't actually like physically paint my own nails, I will buy these packs. These are like the Kiss. They have like a lot of French and all different designs. I'm sure you guys have seen these. I love these as well. The glue that comes in these packs, I like to save and use. I think that the glue in these packs is just a little bit better than the ones in here. But if you don't have like a pack like this or the glue, this is what the glue looks like. It's like a pink one like that, as you guys can see. Then you can just honestly use the glue in here. I just figured I'd mention that I noticed that the glue that comes in these like little nail kits is a little bit better. And then next you're going to need nail clippers. Now I did just clip mine. I clip mine like every other week. So, I just clipped them right before I turned the camera on. And then this is optional, but I have like one of these little like weird tool looking things. They probably sell these. I know they sell these at Sally Beauty because that's where I got it, but they might even sell them at like Walmart or Target. But basically what this is it's used to push like your cuticles down on your nail bed. So I've done that as well. And then this end can kind of get like any dirt out from underneath your own nails as well, that end right there. So this is just like a nice little tool to have. So I already pushed down my cuticles as well. And then lastly, before you apply the nails with glue, you want to file down your own nail. So I have done that as well. It takes like 2 seconds. Any file will do. And if you have these, they actually come with a file, so you can keep the file, but just file down your nails so they're nice and smooth, so that the glue has a smooth surface to be applied to. Last but not least, you are going to need nail polish and a top coat. So I was going to use one of my like newer OPI colors, but then I saw this color, and we are still in summer, so I'm like, let me use one of these like hot, it's like a nice like almost like fuchsia hot pinkish purple color. And in a couple more weeks, we're kind of going into fall, so I'm going to be, you know, going more toward like the berry colors and fall colors. So I was like, oh, let's just go for this like electric color. I absolutely love it. And this is by the brand Madam Glam. I don't even know when I got this polish. It's like from a couple years ago, but anyways, any color will do, obviously. And then this is the top coat that I've been using. It's by Sally Hansen. I've been using this for years. It's really good. This is the big shiny top coat, and I got this at Walmart, but you can get this anywhere. And if I find it on line or like Amazon, I will link it down below, but this is a really good one. So obviously you can see my bare nails, and I just took the little like cover off of the nail kit, so that's what it looks like, and the glue is right there in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of pick out my nails that will match my fingers. They come with a good amount of sizes, you know, to fit pretty much everyone's fingernails. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out mine, pick out 10 total, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and picked out my nails, and I'm going to show you how I glue them on. Now, normally you would think that you just either put glue on the nail or glue on your finger and apply the nail. What I like to do, and I think that this is huge in making your nails stay on a little bit longer, is I like to put glue on my actual fingernail as well as the nail, the fake nail. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think I have like my pointer finger nail. So what I'm gonna do is apply the glue to my fingernail first, like so, and then I'm just gonna put glue on like the bottom portion of the fake nail. And you don't need to put it on the entire nail, because obviously some of the nail is going to be going above your real nail, so you don't need glue there. So I just put glue on that, and then you are just going to slide it on all the way down to your cuticle and hold it for a little bit just so it dries, and then voila, it's that simple, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my nails, and then we will come back and we will start painting. But again, just make sure you put glue on your real nail and then glue on the fake nail. Put it on both sides. So I just got done gluing on my nails. That's what they look like. And two things I want to mention. First, you might want to take your file, because I do notice when I do put these on, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but there's like a little like I don't even know what you want to call it, like a little edge that sticks up on the tops of them. So what I like to do is just take a file to smooth out the tops. If you guys get this kit, you'll know what I'm talking about. I just like to do that just so it's smooth on the top. So I figured I would mention that. It literally takes 2 seconds to do, to just kind of like smooth out the top surfaces of the nails. And then next, what I wanted to mention is that, you know, I can go a whole week or so, because that's how long I like to keep the fake nails on, for a week, whether I do it like this or I do these kits. I like to, you know, do my nails every week. So I do like to carry nail glue with me, but I have gone a full week where no nails have popped off. But you know, it can be normal that, you know, whether I'm doing like something like some kind of cleaning or something like that, a nail can pop off. It happens. It's normal. It's not a big deal. So I like to carry nail glue in my purse, and I have like some nail glues up here as well. So I just figured I would mention that. Maybe buy like a backup nail glue, carry one in your purse, and then if one pops off, you have nail glue with you. Now it's time to paint our nails. And again, this is the color that I'm going to go with. I love it. And you know, I feel like I don't need to like have my camera pointing down to my fingers to actually show myself painting my fingernails. I know I could do that, but it's just like easier to kind of talk to you guys like this. So I'm gonna paint a couple right now, show you what they look like, and then I will paint the rest and come back. So basically, you just want to make sure you shake up your bottle first, and just so I can show you guys easier, I'm gonna paint my you know, my pointer finger and my ring finger first. And also, what I like to do as well, depending on like how you know, transparent or opaque the nail polish looks, I will go with a second coat of the color. So for this one, it's pretty opaque, so I might not need to go with a second coat, but sometimes I just do anyway. So it's totally personal preference. But for like the lighter pink shades, I know I definitely, because those seem to be more like transparent, I like to go with 2 coats of nail polish. So this is what one fingernail looks like. As you guys can see, I'm gonna paint my middle finger. This is like super easy. I kind of almost even feel weird making a video on this, but I figured I'd share this with you guys because this is a great way to save money and time. I hate going to the nail salon and wasting money and time there. And, you know, I kind of like doing my own nails. So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys, even though it is super easy. But a lot of you guys probably never even knew or thought to, you know, do this. So that's why I'm showing you guys. So these are the first two nails that I painted. Again, I am not sure. I could probably get away with not doing a second coat, but if I want it to just be a little bit brighter, I will. So I'm not really sure yet. If I'm gonna do a second coat, I will let you know, but I'm just gonna continue to paint the rest of my nails and I will be right back. So this is what they look like. I did actually end up applying a second coat to my nails, so they are drying as we speak. And when you paint fake nails, they actually dry pretty quickly, you guys. I figured I would just mention that. I mean, I feel like this hand's pretty much already dry. And then the next thing that I did want to mention is that if you get any nail polish on like the side of your finger, I don't know if you guys can see that right there, just wait till your nails dry and then take like a Q-tip with some nail polish remover and you can kind of clean it up. So I'm gonna have to do that once these are like completely dry. But the last and final step is to apply a top coat. So this is pretty self-explanatory, you guys. I'm not gonna like show myself doing this, so I am going to apply my top coat and come back and show you guys the final result. So this is the final result, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see this okay, but you guys always see these in my videos, and I always get questions on like what color, or you know, I love your nails. So this is what they look like. It's super easy to do. I get compliments all the time on my nails, and I tell them I did them myself, and people can't believe that I actually did them myself. And again, like if I was to do this without filming this video for you guys, this would take me under 10 minutes to do. And I do this every week, and it's super affordable, super quick. And no offense to any of you guys, again, who, you know, goes to the nail salon and sits there for like an hour. I just can't be bothered doing that. I don't like, you know, sitting there for like an hour every like couple weeks. I would just rather do this. And also, you know, going every 2 to 3 weeks adds up. You know, and this is like super affordable. So this is just another option for you guys, you know, if you just want to switch it up, maybe save some money, save some time, do your own nails, and, you know, allow your real nails to grow, you know, and just put the fake nails over it. These are non-damaging as well. I haven't had any issues with these actually damaging my nails, but when I've actually gotten tips, yeah, they've definitely damaged my real fingernails. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below. Have you guys ever done or ever used fake nails before from like Walmart, Target, drugstore? And what brand do you use? Have you done the Kiss nails like this? Or have you bought in the Kiss kits and painted your own nails like I just showed you guys? I would be interested to find out. I don't know too many people that actually do this, so I would be curious. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.